Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't posted a video in a really long time, pretty much since I started my journey with Aveda. But I wanted to go ahead and film my Fabfitfun Winter 2019 unboxing. I just got the box yesterday and I kind of peeked through it. May or may not have already used one product, but I'm really excited about all the things that I got. So here's what the box looks like. That's what it looks like. And of course, you know, you get all the goodies inside that tell you, you know, something, passing on to a friend with a coupon code, you know, the HelloFresh that they keep promoting. And then this month's box is basically the women's Alzheimer's movement. So that's not like near and dear to me, but in a way near and dear to my heart, because I actually lost my grandmother back over the summer to dementia. And I can tell you it is not a pretty disease. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box. This is the little inside. The first thing I noticed when I opened it was this Bando, I guess, Bluetooth speaker. And funny thing, I actually had one in my bathroom and then it broke. So yeah, it was kind of perfect when I saw this as an option. It's just a Bluetooth shower speaker. You like to listen to music in the shower. I love listening to music in the shower. So this was actually just really perfect, and it's so cute. And it's actually got a little charging port, but look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Got a little suction on the back right here, little charging port, pink, of course. Then just the instructions that come with it. So there's that. And then this, which I'm actually so excited about, it's the Viramona color switch. I'm sure you guys have seen this. I think Ulta has their own brand, and I've always been like wanting to buy it. I've just never done it. It's one of those things I've wanted to for a long time. I've just never bought you. So it's an instant brush cleaner. Instantly removes makeup from brushes. So it's like if you're switching from a light color to a dark color, or, you know, maybe you're doing a colorful look and you want to go from like an orange to a red, or, you know, what have you, you just swirl your brush around and it, you know, cleans the brush off of kind of the top layer of what's on the brush. Like, it's not going to be obviously a deep cleanse, but it's just going to kind of get the majority of the pigment off. So I'm really, really excited about that. If you are a makeup artist, kind of essential to have in your kit. So I'm really glad I got this. The next thing is this Susio Somatology Yoga. I'm saying that weird, but that's literally how it looks. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash with lavender oil. So I'm so excited to try this. I actually just ran out of body wash, and Epsom salt I know is really good for just like kind of calming the body, and lavender, of course, calming stress, calming anxiety. So really, really excited to try this. I don't know if it's got like obviously it's got a scent to it, probably lavender. I kind of just want to smell it really quick. Ooh, yeah. And it's leaking out the side, but yeah, you get all the lavender feels in that. So if you like lavender, good stuff. And the next thing, this is what I kind of used. The Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. This thing was insane to get off yesterday, but it just sprays. It's got not a heavy scent. I feel like maybe a rose scent. Maybe, I don't know. I don't love rose scented things, but I don't mind this, and it's protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So excited to keep trying that. One of the last Fabfitfuns, there was, I think, whey was in there, and I'm almost out of that. It was like a leave-in conditioner, and I've used that every single time I've washed my hair, and I'm almost out. So I'm really excited to kind of have that now as another heat protectant. I'm running out of breath. And then these are Paddington lashes, which I love lashes. Since I've gotten into them, I've become more and more obsessed. So this was one of the options. I think if you're just like a regular member, And I don't know if I mentioned that speaker was an option, I think, if you were a regular member as well. But you guys, I'm so excited to try these. I'm a little hesitant with the glue because I do have sensitive lashes, and I've used Duo. I didn't like it. It is gonna sound weird, but to me it smells like fish. And then I've been using the Kiss lash glue. It's in the tube, it's got the brush. It's been working really well, but it is drying out and I'm running out of it. So I'm really excited to try these. They look really pretty. It's kind of good for, like, they're not dramatic, but they're gonna amp up your look. So I'll have to let you guys know how those work. They are made from 100% synthetic silk, and the lash glue has just a bunch of stuff in it. So yeah, really excited for those. Then the next thing is this LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. Yeah, sure. It's just a nourishing balm to oil. Packaging's pretty. So basically it just says beauty for humanity. It's 100% organic. You just squeeze out the balm and squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. I'm a little hesitant to use this on my eyes, or I mean on my face, but yes, also on my eyes too. I'm a little hesitant. I think it could work maybe just like as a nice moisturizer, just like on your lip. But of course, you know, I did just read it on the packaging where it says on lips. Welcome to my life. Anyway, and then something else I saw. You guys have probably seen this all over social media, probably the last 2 or 3 years, if you follow like a lot of makeup channels or you have an Instagram or what have you. The makeup eraser. This to me seems gimmicky, which is why I'd never really had a want to try it. It says that it erases all makeup with just water, and it lasts 3 to 5 years. I have to try it. I'm not gonna knock it, I guess, till I try it, which I kind of am knocking it, but anyway. Works like a suction cup made of millions of tiny hair-like fibers, 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair, adheres to makeup and gently pulls it out of the skin. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. If you've tried it, let me know if you liked it. I guess sensitive skin wouldn't really matter because it's kind of just like a, not even a cloth, it literally, I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling on. I'll let y'all know how it works. And then I think the final thing I have in here, which I couldn't remember if I selected this, but I must have, is this blanket. And because the girl said it was super, super comfortable. It's from the brand Unhide, for love, not fur, which I think is so awesome. I love animals. I don't believe in animal abuse. I don't believe in using animals for any kind of makeup or testing on animals or using animals for clothing. I just don't believe in it. And this is also, I think Ellen DeGeneres co-founded this or something to that extent. And it feels like it's really super soft, and I'm supposed to be going camping here in a few weeks. We'll see. That's gonna keep me really, really warm. So I'm really excited to use this. It's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. So super excited to use that. And that was kind of everything in my box, you guys. I do kind of want to run through and just kind of see what everything cost. But here's the question. Is my phone in this room with me? By the way, I got my Dunkin' coffee. I got peppermint mocha swirl. If you like peppermint mocha, you will like this. The first sip I was like, holy crap, but as I kept drinking it got better, but it's good. I'm a Dunkin' person, so let me find my phone super, super, super quick.
One eternity later.
You guys, I should just quit now. I need to quit while I'm ahead. I'm saying I need to find my phone. I'm recording on my phone. Anyway, I'll just put in the description box how much everything was and the total, because it does say that this box, the total value is between $211 to $345.99. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really want to start making more videos and just doing it. I'm so self-conscious about YouTube, but I love YouTube, you guys. I watch YouTube probably from the time I wake up to the time I go to bed. I'm not even kidding. And I'm always nervous to film when other people are home. Like right now, my mom is home, but she's in like a separate room. And I don't know, I just get nervous to film, but it's like, just do it. If you want to do it, just do it. They're not going to judge you. They're not going to care. Like, if this is your passion, do it. You know what I mean? Just bust open your camera and do it. So yeah, I promise I'm gonna stick to YouTube this time. 2020, YouTube, this is it.